हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल बुक वॉर्म। खुश रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें, दुआओं में याद रखें और अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 1 हार्डवेयर बेसिक्स। आज हमने इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशन करनी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज टिक द करेक्ट चॉइस। पहले हमारे पास MCQs हैं। पहला MCQ है physical part of a computer are known as option B hardware dash is the place where processing take place, option D system unit processor is fixed on dash, option C motherboard there are dash type of memory, option A 2 a processor act like a, option C brain. A processor is also known as, option A CPU. Arithmetic operations are performed by, option B arithmetic unit AU. Which one of the following part of CPU control the sequence of instruction? Option B control unit CU. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stores data. Option A permanently. Which of the following is the high speed slot? Option B AGP. A video game is played by dash card. Option A graphic card. Barcode reader is an, option B input device. Dash is used in security system and criminal investigation. Option A fingerprint reader. Next is dash is also known as mechanical agents. Option D robots. Next question is fill in the blanks. First one is the two main component of a processor are ALU and CU. RAM is used for temporary storage. ROM is non-volatile memory. Expansion slot is a long narrow socket fixed on the motherboard. Memory consists of electronic chips. Dash PCI is a faster slot used for sound, graphic modem and network interface card. ISA slot is hard to find in modern computers. Barcode reader is a laser scanning device. Fingerprint reader is a device that captures a fingerprint. Control unit work like a traffic policeman. Define system unit. System unit is a box their processing take place. It consists of main circuit board, processor, power supply, storage devices, etc. It can be found in different shapes and size. System unit protect internal electronic components from damage. B. Define memory. Memory consists of electronic chips. Memory store instructions and data so that CPU can process them. It is working place of a computer and memory has two types. RAM stands for random access memory and second one is ROM, read-only memory. Define processor. Processor work like a human brain. It is silicon chip fixed on the motherboard. Its primary purpose is to carry out the set of instructions and process the data efficiently and accurately. It is also known as central processing unit and it has two main components. First one is ALU arithmetic and logic unit. सेकेंड वन इज़ CU कंट्रोल यूनिट। ALU को मज़ीद दो हिस्सों में तकसीम किया गया है, अरिथमेटिक यूनिट एंड लॉजिक यूनिट। D. Barcode reader. Barcode is a set of light and dark bars, lines with the different width based on the different products. Barcode reader is an input device. It gathers information by reading barcodes. Motherboard. Motherboard or system board is the main circuit board. All the computer components are plugged or connected with it. Following are the sum of hardware components attached to the motherboard: processor, input-output devices, memory chips, expansion card, expansion slots, and storage devices. Lesson number 4 is differentiate between the following: hardware and software. Hardware refer to all physical part of a computer, whereas software is a set of instructions given to computer to perform a specific task. Point number 2, hardware is like a human body, whereas software is like a human soul. Point number 3, some example of hardware are monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, system unit, scanner, motherboard, speaker, etc. Whereas some example of software are Microsoft Windows, MS Word, MS Paint, Media Player and Internet Explorer, etc. Difference between arithmetic unit and logic unit. Arithmetic unit is a part of arithmetic and logic unit. It performs mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Whereas logic unit is also a part of ALU. It compares two quantities and give the answer in the form of true and false. For example, 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, that is true, and 5 plus 3 is equals to 7, that is false. Difference between ROM and RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. It is temporary memory. It is attached to the motherboard. RAM is volatile, such as information is lost when power is switched off. For example, one is typing a letter on the computer and the power goes off, the content of letter will be erased from the RAM if it is not saved. On the other hand, ROM stands for read-only memory. It is permanent memory and it is fixed on the motherboard. ROM is non-volatile, such as information is not lost when the power is switched off. Data can be changed or removed from the ROM. That is why it is called read-only memory. Difference between expansion card and expansion slot. Expansion card is small circuit board. It gives a computer to capability to control our storage devices, an input devices or an output device. Basic purpose of expansion card is to enhance the capability of computer. There are four major type of expansion card are sound card, graphic card, network interface card and modem. Expansion slot is a long narrow socket on the motherboard into which different expansion cards can be plugged in. There are three types of expansion slot: ISA, PCI, AGP. Input devices and output devices. Devices which are used to enter data into a computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, microphone and digital camera, etc. Devices which are used to display or present output are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Question number 5. Give brief answer to the following question. Define the brain of computer and write down the name of its component. तो जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं प्रोसेसर ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर है, तो इसका आंसर कुछ इस तरह से होगा. प्रोसेसर वर्क लाइक अ ह्यूमन ब्रेन. इट इज़ सिलिकॉन चिप fixed on the motherboard. Its primary purpose is to carry out the set of instruction and process the data efficiently and accurately. It is also known as CPU, Central Processing Unit. It has two components. First one is ALU, Arithmetic and Logic Unit, and CU, Control Unit. ALU को फर्दर दो हिस्सों में तकसीम किया गया है, AU and LU. Question number 2. What are the main function of arithmetic logic unit? Answer is all mathematical and logical problems are solved in this portion of processor. It consists of arithmetic unit and logic unit. Arithmetic unit is a part of ALU. It performs mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 or 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Logical unit. Logic unit is also a part of ALU. It compares two quantities and give answer in the form of true and false. For example, 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, that is true, and 5 plus 3 is equals to 7 is false. Question number 3 is what is read-only memory? Answer is ROM stands for read-only memory. It is permanent storage. It is fixed on motherboard. ROM is non-volatile, such as information is not lost when the power is switched off. Data cannot be changed or removed from the ROM. That's why it's called read-only memory. Question number 4 is write down 3 main uses of fingerprint reader. Uses of fingerprint reader are access control or user authentication. Fingerprint readers are commonly used to control access to secure areas such as government buildings, corporate offices, and data centers. By scanning a person's fingerprint, the system can verify their identity and grant or deny access as necessary. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है टाइम एंड अटेंडेंस ट्रैकिंग. Many organizations use fingerprint reader to track employee attendance and our work. System device security. By scanning users' fingerprint, the device can be unlocked or sensitive information can be protected from unauthorized access. Question number 5 is what is the main function of robot? The main function of robot is to automate tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or difficult for human to perform. Robots are made to help human beings. Robots can perform a wide range of functions including manufacturing. Robots are commonly used in manufacturing plants to assemble, weld, paint, and package products. They can work faster and more accurately. Exploration. Robots are used in space exploration, deep sea exploration, and other hazardous environment where it may be difficult or dangerous for human to go. They can collect data, take measurement, and perform tasks in the places that would be impossible for human reach. Assistant. Robots can assist human in a variety of settings including healthcare, education and entertainment. Next one is military and defense. Robots are used by military for the variety of tasks including bomb and disposals. They can be used in situations where it would be dangerous for humans to operate and can also be used to minimize the risk of human casualties in the combat situations. Question number 6 is how many expansion slots are there in the computer? Write their name. Expansion slot is a long narrow socket on the motherboard into which different expansion card can be plugged in. There are three types of expansion slot: ISA industry standard architecture, PCI peripheral component interconnect, and AGP accelerated graphic port. Question number 7 is write the name of major expansion card and explain two of them. Expansion card is a small circuit board. It gives a computer to capability to control our storage devices, input devices and output devices. There are four major types of expansion card: sound card, graphic card, network interface card and modem. एक्सप्लेनेशन में देखेंगे हम साउंड कार्ड और ग्राफिक कार्ड को. साउंड कार्ड allows a computer to receive the sound in the digital form and reproduce it through speaker. Graphic cards enable a computer to display output image on the monitor screen. Question number 8. What information is gathered from barcode? Every barcode has a series of numbers known as universal product code. It reflects the country of origin, manufacturer code, product name and the check digits to verify code. Question number 9. What is cutting edge technologies? Give some examples. Cutting edge technologies refer to the latest and the most advanced technologies innovations that are currently available. It provides significant improvement in the efficiency, effectiveness and cost saving. It may be used in wide range of industries and applications from the healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and entertainment. Examples of cutting-edge technology includes barcode reader is a set of dark light bar with different width based on different products. Barcode reader is an input device that gather information by reading a barcode. Second one is fingerprint reader. A fingerprint is an fingerprint is an impression left by a finger or thumb. Fingerprint is a device that capture a fingerprint or translate it into the digital code. And the last one is robots. Robot is a machine which is controlled by our software contained in a chip. Robots are made to help human beings. Last question. Why RAM is called volatile memory? RAM stands for random access memory. It is temporary memory. It is attached to the motherboard. RAM is volatile, such as information is lost when the power is switched off. For example, someone is typing a letter on the computer and the power goes off. The content of letter will be released from the RAM if it is not saved. That's why we call RAM is volatile memory. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज मैचिंग कॉलम. सो हमारे पास ए में है मदरबोर्ड, तो इसका हमारे पास मैचिंग होगा डी, मेन बोर्ड. सिस्टम यूनिट इज अ बॉक्स. सिस्टम यूनिट का आएगा जी. ब्रेन CPU. लाइब्रेरीज, इसका ऑप्शन है हमारे पास जे. बारकोड graphic or 3D card, AGP slots, fingerprint reader, option C security system, and peripherals इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस में आएगा। नेक्स्ट इज ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन, ऑप्शन ई कंट्रोल यूनिट, मैकेनिकल एजेंट्स, रोबोट्स एंड रोम, दैट इज ऑप्शन एच नॉन वोलेटाइल। This is the end of the lecture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment.